EFCO is dedicated to identifying the needs of contractors worldwide by developing and supplying innovative, high-quality concrete forming solutions. As EFCO continues to move forward and develop new and improved ways to meet the needs of an ever-changing industry, we have partnered with Nox-Crete, an industry leader in the development and supply of concrete construction chemicals, to develop new form coatings formulated specifically for EFCO and EFCO formwork. Introducing EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete is a petroleum-based, general-purpose form release agent that can be used on both steel and plywood forming surfaces. The ingredients chemically bond to the face sheet of EFCO's steel forms to produce a water-resistant film that provides temporary protection between pours. This protective film will ultimately react with the lime present in the concrete to provide a crisp, clean release and prevent the accumulation of concrete buildup. Despite being a petroleum-based product, EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete has a 250 VOC level and is compliant for use in all of the United States and Canada, with the exception of 4 counties in Southern California that make up the South Coast Air Quality Management District. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete is offered in 5-gallon pails as well as 55-gallon drums. Each pail or drum will be shipped with this convenient pamphlet attached to the container. Inside this pamphlet are the user instructions in English, Spanish, and French. Also in the pamphlet is a link to the product safety data sheet. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete can be applied to both steel and plywood forming surfaces. For plywood surfaces, the recommended application rate is 600 to 800 square feet per gallon. For steel face sheets, the recommended application rate is 1,500 square feet per gallon. As with all form release agents, for best results, EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete should be applied to a clean, dry forming surface, with the preferred method of application being a sprayer. There are a number of sprayers on the market that can be used to apply this product. Both high-pressure and low-pressure sprayers can be used, as the performance of the coating applied will be dictated by the coverage rate. If applying in temperatures below freezing, a high-pressure sprayer is recommended. If you are using a high-pressure sprayer such as the Nox-Crete Perfect Sprayer, the correct application will be achieved by spraying a very fine mist. If you are using a low-pressure sprayer such as a Chapin 1949 sprayer, you will have to move quickly to avoid over-application. EFCO recommends you use an 8001 LP nozzle for both the Nox-Crete sprayer and the Chapin sprayer, available from Nox-Crete or EFCO. Nox-Crete and EFCO also provide an adapter to be able to use the nozzle on a Chapin sprayer. Contact your EFCO wraparound support team for assistance in selecting the right sprayer and attachments for your situation. It is recommended that the release agent be put on as thin as possible while still being able to achieve complete coverage. A good identifier to know if you're applying the form release too heavy is if there are visible runs or drips on the surface during or after application. If the release agent is sprayed on thick or uneven, it is recommended to run a microfiber mop across the face of the form immediately after it has been sprayed. This will help ensure that the form is evenly coated and will remove any excess release agent. It is important to note that over-application or excess release agent on the forming surface can result in a poor or unacceptable concrete finish, including discoloration, air pockets, and often bug holes. The success of the product begins with proper application. Begin by scraping off any excess concrete buildup. Follow up by wiping the surface of the formwork with a clean rag or burlap sack. Using the form sprayer, begin at the top of the gang form and apply a very thin and even coat of form release. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete is designed to withstand foot traffic as well as precipitation. However, for best results, avoid walking on or wiping through the release agent, which can have an effect on the evenness and performance of the release agent. With the Chapin sprayer, you will need to move the wand fairly quickly. For best results, after applying the release agent, use a microfiber mop to ensure a nice even coating. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete has been designed to provide up to 3 weeks of form protection without the need to be reapplied. If the release agent application has been directly exposed to the elements, particularly sunlight, for more than 3 weeks, then a second application of the same release agent will be required. EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete has a 2-year shelf life from the date of manufacture. When the formwork needs to be stored outdoors for longer periods of time without pouring concrete, EFCO's wraparound support team and Nox-Crete are available to help you identify the right protective coating. fast. Clean. Blemish-free. Easy application. Quality finish. Minimal tie spacing. Labor saving. Proven performance. Innovative. Super service. This concludes EFCO's introduction and quick explanation of the benefits and how to use EFCO Form Release by Nox-Crete. It is recommended that all users read and thoroughly understand the instructions supplied in order to realize the high quality finish achievable with EFCO formwork. If you have any questions, please contact your local EFCO territory manager or field service representative. Thank you. Follow these instructions for great looking concrete.